Italian food has always been more about what surrounds the dish than the dish itself. The chance with the Italian table was to not only talk about the recipes, and I give you recipes, and I give you menus, but also talk about the culture that surrounds it. And usually with Italians it's social, and it's about the people, and it's about the fun that you're having. It can be very fancy, it can be just a slice of pizza on a plastic tray in Rome, it can be by the sea in Positano, it can be a lot of things, and that's what I tried to explore with the Italian table. Italians take food very seriously, and they also don't take it seriously at all, because for them it's a natural part of life. I could have just given you a recipe and you would have been happy with it because the food is really delicious. But I think that if you understand the context and the joy that Italians bring to the table, that's going to make your food all the more delicious. One of the greatest joys of writing the Italian table was the chance to be able to photograph it myself. And a lot of people are surprised when they find out that I'm the photographer for this book. And I couldn't see doing it any other way, because the meals themselves were so spontaneous. They can almost look staged or styled, but they're not. These are actual meals that I sat down at with the people who cooked them, with the people who were serving them, and we shared the meal. And how could I have done that with another photographer? My main objective in this was to make it feel as if you're at the table with me, because that's part of the joy of it. A lot of the response I'm getting to the photographs is exactly what I wanted. It really feels that you're right there in front of the food. What I really hope that I'm giving them are the building blocks that they need, the tools, so that once you've sort of absorbed all of this, you can go on and create your own Italian meals. You have all the moving parts. You don't have to follow my directions exactly by any means. Go ahead, make substitutions. You'll have that sort of spirit of the Italian table within you.